How much did these weigh? Look at the camera.
65 grams.
65 grams. So they weigh exactly the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you and Grandma go down below on the deck. I'm going to stand up here and I'm going to drop both of them so that they hit the ground. Which one will hit the ground first, do you think? What is your hypothesis?
I think the one with the yellow cap.
Why will it hit the ground first? They weigh the exact same amount.
Because, well, hold on. I think instead of the yellow one, the blue one.
Why?
Because the blue one's bigger than the yellow one.
Well, we measured them. They weigh exactly the same amount.
Well, they weigh, but they're not bigger.
You think this is a little bit bigger than this one?
Just a tiny bit.
Okay, well, let's find out then. We're going to do the experiment.
Okay.
Sorry. Ilea thinks the blue one's going to hit the ground first. I'm going to drop them at exactly the same time. Ilea's going to tell us which one hits first. 1, 2, 3.
Blue.
You think it hit first?
Yes.
Okay, you're good. Okay, honestly, which one hit the ground first? Tell the truth.
Both of them.
They hit at the same time. Now, why do you think that is?
Because they weigh the same.
You think it's because they weigh the same amount? Okay, we're going to try something here. We're going to go put a little bit of water in them, but we'll still keep them the same weight, but they'll both have water in them now. I'm going to see what happens there. So we'll be right back. Okay, Ilea, we put a little bit of water in these, and the reason I did that is it's going to make them a little stabler so they won't bounce when they hit the ground. It'll be a little easier to tell if we hit the ground first. Now, we put water in and we put the exact same amount. How much do they weigh now?
Well, the blue one weighs 741.
And what does the yellow one weigh?
The yellow one weighs 740.
No, it was 741.
741. So they both weigh the same amount.
They weigh the same amount. So when I drop them, which do you think will hit the ground first?
I think both of them are going to hit the same.
You think they're both going to hit at the same time? Okay, let's find out. So we're going to go set up again. Let's go try it. Carefully, okay? Tell me when you're ready, Grandma.
Ready.
1, 2, 3.
They both hit at the same time.
Wow, that's cool. Okay, we'll get one more thing to try, so we'll be back in a minute.
Let's go. Follow me, Grandma.
So, this one's full of water, and this one's only 741 grams. That's a lot heavier, right? Okay, put them down. If we do the experiment again, which of them's going to hit the ground first?
This one.
The big heavy one's going to hit the ground first.
Yes.
Why do you think that is?
It has the most water. One has less.
So you think a heavy object is going to fall faster?
Yes. Comparing to this one, this one's almost full. This one barely full.
Okay. So your hypothesis is that the heavy one will fall faster?
Yes.
Okay. Can Grandpa tell you his hypothesis?
Yes.
Okay, put him down. Listen. Look at me. I think they're going to hit the ground at the same time. That is my hypothesis. Should we try? All right, so the blue one's the heavy one, the yellow one is the light one. And 1, 2, 3. They hit it exactly the same time.
And guess what?
Yeah, it broke. I know it broke. I knew it was going to, but that's okay. Yeah, there's nothing left of it. But, did the heavy one fall faster than the light one?
Yes. A little bit faster.
No. They hit it exactly the same time.
Okay.
So, alright, we're going to go back upstairs and we're going to talk for a minute about this. Find out what's going on with the science. Okay, Ilea, let's form some conclusions from our experiment. What did we find out about gravity?
That gravity pulls at the same rate.
Pulls things at the same rate that weigh different amounts?
Mm-hmm.
So the heavy one was pulled at the same rate as the light one?
Yes, but the heavier one, when it fell, they both fell at the same time, but the heavier one broke.
Why did it break?
Because it was so heavy.
It's heavy and gravity exerted more force when it finally did stop.
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. So we've learned something here, haven't we?
Yep.
Yeah, so
Gravity pulls at the same rate.
excellent. Good job.